Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in the newspaper of Friday, January the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. News of today, well, told you earlier, 30k death people in the Gaza. It's increasing. I think 1 week ago 20,000, now 30,000, and the war is still going. More than 100 days. So when will be the end? The end, yeah. Too much war. Alright. Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. Number 7830. And for a Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, for a puzzle with 20 to 30 minutes, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. We have 3 given numbers. The 6 in the given number 6 in this triple box of 15. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. We have a given number 6 in this triple box of 17. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. And we have a given number 8 in this triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes should be a 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Alright, my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with with 1 sharing box. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. So it will be difficult, the first strategy. Next strategy, what you need to know first, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is 45. The total sum of a row is 45. Alright. Next strategy is to look for boxes with 1 combination. Here we have the box of 17. Only 1 combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. We have the box of 4. Only 1 combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Let me see. The box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Alright. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now, in this big square, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, 6 plus 14 is 20, plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38, plus 6, 38 plus 6 is 44. So, 45 minus 44 is a 1. So, that box should be a 3 then. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Okay, now 8 Here could be the 8. Okay. 8, 8. Well, I need an 8 here. Yeah. 8 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left, the 8 should be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, and I cannot place the 8 in the box of 6. Otherwise, here should be the combination 8 minus 1, and here 8 minus 2. Well, the lowest number I can use is number 1, not minus 2 or minus 1. So the only place left for the 8 should be here then. In the box of 15, the combination will be 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Alright. Then. Well. The next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. For example, the box of 6. Now, 2 combinations for the box of 6. 5 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square. So I cannot place the 5 and the 1 here. So only combination should be 2 and a 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 7 is missing. And 6 is missing. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here we have 2 boxes left. The box of 10, box of 14. One of the missing number is 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this big square, so it should be in the box of 14. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 3 and 7. Alright. We have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. So need a 9 here. 7, need a 7 there. Wow. Yeah. One of the missing number. Oh, wait. We have the box of 5. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 4 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 2 and the 3 is already used in the 3rd column. So only 1 combination left. The 4 and the 1. 4 and the 1. Okay. 2, 3, 1 and 5. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Well. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6. Come on. This is taking too long. Come on. 7, about the 8 and the 4, 9, 8 and 4, 7 is already 6, 5 and 7 cannot be. Well, there are several combinations for the box of 12. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 12. The 9 is already used in this big square. 8 could be, then the combination will be 8 plus 4. The 7 I cannot use because we have a 7 already in this big square. The 6 I cannot use, we have a 6 already in the middle column. The 5, well, then the combination will be 5 plus 7. Well, the 7 is already used in this big square, so 5, the 4 is used with the 8. The 3 and the 9, the 9 is already used. The 2, no, 2 is not the combination. 2 plus 10, 10 is not allowed. So it's the 8 and the 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 2. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this middle column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9, 4 and a 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 4 goes there. The box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 should be in the box of 7. Combination 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 3 goes there. In the box of 7, combination will be 3 plus 4. In the box, oh wait, these two boxes together should be 9. So 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Then, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here in the box of 13, otherwise combination will be 3 plus 10. So the 3 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. In the box of 13, combination will be 4 plus 9. These combination will be, these two boxes together should be 11, so 3 plus 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. In the box of 9, the combination will be 7 plus 2. 4 and 9, 4 and 5. Wow. Come on. Need an 8. Here can be an 8. Here can be, yeah, we need an 8 in the third column. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. So the 8 should be in the box of 13. Combination 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 8 and a 4. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left in 4. Could be here, could be there. So 2 boxes together should be a 9. Okay, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Now, this big square, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 13 is 26. Plus 1, 27. Plus 11, 38. That means 45 minus 38 is a 7. In the box of 15, combination will be 7 plus 8. Alright. No 9 here. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 together with the 4. It's already then 13. And then the third digit should be a 0. 0 is not allowed. Should be in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. So 1 digit is left. Then 6 and a 3. 6 and a 3. You have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 4. This box should be a 3 then. 3 in this row. Third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left of 3 goes in the box of 5. Combination 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left on 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Only place left on 8 should be there in the box of 9. Combination will be 8 plus 1. Right. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 combinations for the box of 6. 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. Well, the 1 is already used in this column, so cannot place the 1 and the 5, so it should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and 1 of those 2 boxes in the last column, so this box can be 2 and more. That box will be 2 and this box will be a 3. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 6. Well. We have 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left of the 6 should be here or there. If I place the 6 in the box of 14, then the combination will be 6 plus 8. And look, we already have 8 in the last column, so I cannot place the 6 there. 6 should be in the box of 9. Combination is 6 plus 3. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and a 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. Suppose this is a 6, then that box should be an 8. We already have an 8 in this column, so cannot be the 6 there. This should be the 5 then, and that box in this row should be the 6 then. In the box of 14, the combination will be 5 plus 9. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 6 plus 5. Okay. And 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 goes in the box of 13. Combination 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination will be 6 plus 1. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there, so 2 numbers left. The 7 and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3. 4 and the 6, we already have a 6 here in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 9 and 8, we already have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, I'm very well pleased with the time. 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.